Hello everyone, welcome back to Charles Online Math. Today we will continue on the topic Surds episode 2. We are going to be looking at simplification of Surds. We have this example here. Simplify the following. Now if you follow the previous episode where we defined the definition of Surds, now this is the continuation of the previous one. So we have this problem to solve. We have square root of 32. We have to simplify this. Now, when you want to simplify a surd like this, there's always one perfect square number here. So what we're going to do is to look for what perfect square can we get here, and when we multiply with another factor. For instance, you can use a factorization method. You have 32 here. If I divide it by 2 into 32, I will have 16. Now, if you observe, 16 is a what? Perfect square. So we go with what? 16 and 2. So 16 times 2 will give us 32. So this can be expressed as 16 times 2, which is the same thing as you rewriting it as 16 multiplied by square root of what? 2. And square root of 16 is 4. You drop your 4, then you multiply your what? Square root of what? 2. So this will be our final answer. 2 cannot be expressed beyond this. So this will be the simplification of square root of 32. So we go for the B. B, you have square root of what? 20. Inside here again, we can also get a perfect square. From here, we can have, this can also be breaking down. If you keep your 20 here, 2 into 20, you have what? 10. Then you observe 10 is not a perfect square. So we can still break it. 2 into 10, we have what? 5. If I multiply these two together, we have 4. And 4 is a perfect square. So I can have 4 times 5 inside this. Also, I'm going to have what? 4 times 5. And this can be written as square root of 4 times square root of 5. Square root of 4 will give us 2. Multiplied by square root of what? 5. Because 5 cannot be expressed beyond it. This irrational number. So this will be our answer. Then the third one, we have square root of 98. Again, we need one perfect square here to multiply another factor. So let's use factorization method. Divide, you have 98. 2 into 9, I will have 4. Remember, I will put it here. 2 into 18, I have 9. If you check, 49 is a perfect square. So I can use 2 times 49. I will come here, I'll put what? 49 multiplied by 2. And this can be written as square root of 49 times square root of 2. Square root of 49 means it's going to give us 7. That means 7 times 7. Then I will have what? Multiplied by root 2. So this is how to simplify surds. Okay, now we move to, alright, let's take this example 2. In this case, we have to write the following as the square root of single number. We have A, 4 root 2, B, we have 2 root 5, and C, 7 root 3. How do you solve this? Let's solve this problem. The first one, we have 4 root 2. And this is a number multiplying a surd here. So the number outside here can be written as 4 raised to the power 2. You put it inside a root. Which means if I cancel this square with this root, I will still get back my 4. Then use it to multiply the surd, root 2. Then 4 raised to the power 2 is the same thing as 4 times 4, which will give us 16. Then I will apply my root times square root of 2. Now you can multiply the two numbers together. 16 times 2, I will have 32. So you put it inside one, it's 32. So this is how to solve it. So we go for B. B, we have 2 root 5. The number outside here can also be written as 2 raised to the power 2. Then you apply your word surd, so that when you cancel the 2 with the surd, you get your 2 back. Then multiply by root of 5. Then 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. Then I will apply my surd. I'll put it times square root of 5. So I will have times square root of 5. Then 4 times 5, I will have 20. So I will have square root of 20. So this is my answer. Then the last one here, I have 7 root 3. Then 7 root outside here can be written as 7 square. Then you apply your surd. Cancel again, you still get back your 7. Then multiply by root 3. 7 raised to the power 2 means 7 times 7, which will give us what? 49. Then apply your word. Then times square root of 3. Then we multiply. 3 times 9, I will have 27. I will write 7, carry 2. 3 times 4, I will have 12 plus 2, I will have 14. Then you apply your word, your surd. So this will be my answer. Okay. So this is how to write the following at the square root of single number, and you have also observed that how to also simplify surd. So this is how to simplify surd. If this tutorial helped you, kindly like, subscribe, and share for more tutorial. In the next video, we are going to be looking at addition and subtraction of similar surd. If this tutorial helped you, you can kindly practice these 2 questions. See you in the next video. Thank you.